Not having had a video for months, you end up with sort of like a string in sort of a few days. Unboxing part the 2. Uh, there might be another one tomorrow, but it won't be an unboxing. It'll be a putting together because I'm going to combine the final unboxing. Scalpel, box. Okay, right, hold it up so you can see it. There you go. Okay, I'll cut towards myself, shall I? There we are. It's still got, this was especially not signed for. It's supposed to be signed for, but it wasn't. Same as yesterday's. And we go straight down the middle because we have a scalpel and they're really sharp. And in this box, great importance, we have some paper. We have quite a nice box after that as well. And we have a right way up. No, right way up. It is now 500 watt power supply. We're going to open it? Of course we are. We're going to open it if I can see how, because I really don't want to damage this. It's a very nice box. Oh, right, okay. Oh, I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll just nick in the plastic wrap there, the bit that's going to destroy the planet. And then get a thumbnail in there. And I can pull and heave and stretch and rip. Pull, heave. It didn't work, did it? Pull, heave, stretch and rip. Well, they're trying to save the planet by using thinner plastic than they used to use. So, well, there we go. That's now nudie box. I shall open it. Oh, sealed. So this one's new. I'm still not sure about that motherboard. So let's do that because boxes these days are designed to be very difficult to open. I haven't quite worked out why, but they are. That like that. Does it? And then it opens up like that. Look, more instructions here. They're white. Oh, hang on. Actually, that smells like new paint. I was hoping for a new electronic smell, but it's not. It's a new paint smell. Oh, there's something else in there as well. It opens up like that. I wish you could see this, but it's actually really difficult. I know, I'll stand up. And then my head will disappear. But that doesn't matter. You're probably not in focus anymore, in which case this is a pointless video. That's an empty box. That's a nice empty box, and that's a thing there. And I shall sit down again. And you'll moan because you get to see my face. I have hundreds of these leaves. I found a whole pile yesterday. About 30 of them. I don't know where they come from. Breed when you're not looking. And here we have a 500 watt power supply. AC input. 5 amp. Kilowatt. That's not particularly efficient. DC output. 5 volts, 20 amp. Oh no, I can get 49, positive 12 volt, I can get 49 amps out of this apparently. That's really useful to know. So I'm going to have a fiddle around and play. There's a sheet of plastic in there. Oh, it's to guide the air. What was I saying? Yes, the power output, 588 watt at 12 volt. Oh, it's a 600 watt. It's 600 watt. The power supply on my DeVere Enlarger, which you've seen in previous videos, one day it's going to die, and it's a big transformer, and that outputs 250 watt at 24 volt, and it uses 2 lamps. No, it doesn't. It outputs a 500 watt at 24 volt. And it's 2 lamps in series. It's 2 12 volt 250 watt lamps in series. So when that dies, I can rewind them parallel and use an old computer supply to drive it. that's going to be a long-term project which we will look at some point in the future. Some point in the future with me could be sometime between now and next millennium. And there's all the bits that you plug into your motherboard and anywhere else you can stick them, really. Perhaps we'll... it's got that Brady stuff on it, so it doesn't look like a bad accident in a wormery. Next time we see this, we'll have a box. It's not called a box, is it? It's called a case. We'll have a case and we'll have our hard disk. It's a solid state hard disk that's coming, and we can match this with the motherboard and all the junk from yesterday. There we are, 600 watt power supply. It was cheaper than the 450 I was going for. We'll see you all again, possibly very soon.